Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cosine 2x, we can change into cosine 2x over sine 2x to the power of 3. Cosecant of 2x, that's about 1 over sine 2x. This one we need to combine, and we have cosine 2x to the power of 3 over sine 2x to the power of 4. About cosine 2x to the power of 3, we can put into cosine 2x squared multiplied by cosine 2x. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine 2x squared plus sine 2x squared equals to number 1. So we put sine 2x squared go to the right, and we have 1 minus sine 2x squared. So I will put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine 2x. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equal to 2 cosine 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u squared. This one we change by u to the power of 4. Cosine 2x dx we change by du over number 2. So 1 divided by u to the power of 4, u squared divided by u to the power of 4, we will have about u to the power of negative number 4 minus u to the power of negative number 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1 minus u to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1, and we put about c. This one is about negative number 3, negative number 3. This one negative number 1, negative number 1. U, that's about sine 2x. Negative, negative, we simplify, and we have 1 over sine 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.